In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate subtitles automatically from a video file. Then I'll also show you how to create bilingual subtitles with one click. AI has revolutionized subtitle generation, so it's not a tedious job anymore, which is thumbs up. A tool that can auto-generate subtitles can be utilized both as a creator and a viewer. As a viewer, you can use subtitles, especially bilingual subtitles, for language learning purposes as well, or just watching a movie with your friends. So it has many advantages, but which software to use? Well, in this video today here, we're going to use the UniConverter 17's Subtitle Editor tool, which has a refined auto-subtitle generator and translator, and the option to have bilingual subtitles. Two separate subtitles running simultaneously. So in case you don't have the tool yet, download it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Then go ahead and open the Subtitle Editor. It's featured on the Hot Tools page. Next, import the film or video file you'd like to generate subtitles for. Next, click on the Auto-Subtitle Generator. Here, you can choose the original language of your video. It will also detect it automatically if you're actually unsure for some reason. And then moving on, there is the option to choose bilingual subtitles. With this option, the subtitles will run in two languages simultaneously. So in order to use this option, choose the second language, the language you want to translate the subtitles into. Next, choose the translation model. It can be speed or quality priority. Speed is also really good in quality, it's just a bit less refined when it comes to translation. Finally, click on Generate. The tool will now generate the subtitles. When they're complete, switch over to the Appearance tab, where you can give a unique design to the subtitles. You may choose from presets. There is quite a few to choose from, or you can also create your own style with the modifiers here. If you create your own style here, in the end, you can save it as a preset so that you could use it again in the future. Now, when you're working with bilingual subtitles, you can design the style for both languages individually. Looks good so far? Well, when you're done styling, just click on Export, and in the next window, choose the output setting to be an MP4 file. It will have the subtitles burned onto the video. If you click on the SRT option, you can export the subtitle file as a separate file as well. Finally, click on Export. And we're done! Let's briefly look at the results. So, if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up on the video. But I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.